Cricket is where we bowl off, as the title of national cricket supremacy will be determined over the coming 2 days when Melbourne takes on UWI at Sabina Park starting tomorrow. Here's Spencer Darlington.
Melbourne were in this position last year but lost out to Jamaica Defence Force in the final and will be keen on righting that wrong starting Saturday. Nikita Miller, Damian Jacobs, Stephen Taylor, Andre McCarthy and Asad Fudaddin are just some of the national players they boast in their armoury. And Jacobs, who took 8 wickets in the semi-final encounter against St. Catherine CC, says the team is well prepared for the contest.
As a bunch of guys, we are very confident. We've been putting in the work all season, led by Captain Nikita Miller. Good bunch of guys, quality players. Majority of the guys that represent Jamaica in any form or all forms. So we're just looking forward to a good final against a strong UWI team. So we're looking forward to a good final. Good 2 days of cricket and the best team come out victorious.
Meanwhile, despite being newcomers, UWI Pelicans boast a strong lineup of their own and have West Indies players Rovman Powell and Chadwick Walton, as well as former Jamaica captain Paul Palmer Jr. and Leonardo Friginet, who scored an unbeaten 166 in the semi-final.
Yeah, I think it's one of the better opportunities for us to win our first senior cup title as a team, and I think we have some experienced guys, Chadwick Walton, myself and Paul Palmer Jr. The team look to us whenever they need some level of motivation, some level of encouragement, and I think it's a very good opportunity for us to stand up and be counted in such a final like this.
The final bowls off at 9:30 a.m. each day. Spencer Darlington, TVJ Sports.
Now, the Jamaica Cricket Association's Scotiabank Prep School competition is now underway with over 700 cricketers down to compete in this, the 14th staging. 133 matches will be played across Cornwall, Middlesex and Surrey, with the tournament culminating on June 22. Cricket Operations Manager at the Jamaica Cricket Association, JCA, O'Neill Cruikshank, maintains that this competition will unearth some of the best cricketing talent in Jamaica.
So we have seen over the last 2 years alone, 18 youngsters who have come out of the prep school program, who have represented, whether it be the Jamaica under 15, the under 17, under 19. So this program has served its purpose and it continues to do so. And we believe we're going to see performances this year that are going to suggest that we have more youngsters who are going to graduate to our national programs. The young girl wasn't allowed to bowl, the young girl wasn't allowed to bat, and the young girl was put on the field at a place where they wouldn't have access to the ball. And even when the ball was heading to them, sometimes you had coaches telling them to leave the ball alone. But we have fixed that. What we have said is that the young girl or the female must bat between the positions 1 to 4, and in the bowling order must also bowl in position 1 to 4. In other words, they must be involved in the competition